For this lesson, you'll need your Envision work mat, 8-3, a pencil, some counters. I'm going to use my two-sided counters this time. And if you need to remember which way to make your numbers, it might be helpful to have a number line. I like to keep this handy when I'm doing math because it helps me with my numbers. So gather your supplies and then come on back. All right, let's put our name on the top of our paper. I'm putting Mrs. Stalkup, you're putting your name. Today we're working on some more subtraction stories, and we are going to problem solve by acting it out. So we're going to act it out using our counters. So let's put the counters on all these circles. So gather your counters, whatever you're using, and let's put one on each circle. 1, and we'll count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we have 9 counters on here. So now I'm going to tell you a story and you are going to act it out. Let's pretend like these counters are people and they're walking, okay? So there are 9 people walking down the street. 2 of the people stop and sit down. Let's take 2 off. 1, 2. How many people are still walking down the street? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's cross out the ones that sat down, the ones we took away. You put an X through those, and then we'll write the number 7 here. And now let's move our 7 down. So now we still have 7 people walking down the street, right? Okay. Seven people are walking down the street. 1 person sits down. How many people are still walking down the street? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's cross out the one that sat down. Now let's make a 6. And let's move our 6 people down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, get ready to act it out. There are 6 people walking down the street. 4 of them sit down. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many people are still walking down the street? 1, 2. So let's put a 2. There's 2 people left walking down the street, and let's cross out the 4 who sat down. Great job. Okay, you can put your counters away. We just need counters for this side. On the other side, they drew pictures for us. All right. Actually, it looks like we can use counters. They did draw pictures, but they didn't draw enough. I'm going to switch over to my beans because they're smaller. If you need to pause the video and get a smaller counter, you can, or you could still use these. All right, so there's 4 birds. So I'm going to put 4 birds in my bird bath because we're acting it out. So I have 4 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4 birds are in the bird bath. 3 birds fly away. 3 birds go. 1, 2, 3. How many birds are left? 1. Let's trace those numbers. There were 4 birds in the bird bath. 3 of the birds flew away. And now there is 1 bird left. Okay. There are 9 ants on the picnic table. So let's put 9 counters on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 ants on the picnic table. Write the number 9 here. And 4 of the ants crawl away. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll put these back in my bag. 4 of them go. How many ants are left on the table? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice work. A head, a neck, and a big fat tummy. Now on this side, you're going to practice by yourself. So I'm not going to write the numbers, but I will put my counters out, and you should put your counters out. And if you need help with the numbers, you can use your number line, okay? So there are 7 apples in the bowl. So let's put 7 counters out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 apples in the bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you write a 7 here? 7 apples are in the bowl. 7 apples are in the bowl. And then Jake comes along and he eats 2 of the apples. So we're going to take 2 of the apples out. So, and you need to put a 2 here. 2 apples go. 2 apples go. How many apples are left in the bowl? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples are left in the bowl. Okay, are you ready? There are 6 tomatoes. So put 6 counters out here, and we're going to write the number 6 here. There are 6 tomatoes on the vine. 4 of the tomatoes are picked. So go ahead and put 6 tomatoes on the vine, make the number 6, and then we're going to take 4 away. So put a 4 here. 4 go away. 4 are picked. How many tomatoes are left? So take the 4 off and see how many are left. See if you can do it all by yourself, writing the number. Nice work. I will see you next time. Bye for now.